Hey, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be going over the Binance.us. We're going to be going over their platform, looking at different features on their website. This is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. So as we dive into their platform, this is the main home screen, and these are the different trading pairs off of USD. So what that means is if you have USD, you are able to trade it for these different cryptocurrencies. Now, let's say we change this and we do Bitcoin pairs. So now if you have Bitcoin instead of USD, you are able to trade different cryptocurrencies with that. To give you an example, let's use Avalanche, okay? All right, so if we want to buy Avalanche, we would go over here to the right side of the screen, and then we could press buy here, but you need to fill out the information first. So this is the current price to Bitcoin. So it would take 0.0002597 Bitcoins to be able to purchase one Avalanche. Now, let's say we, hypothetically speaking, want to buy 5 Bitcoin worth. And see there, it will tell you how much Avalanche you can get, which is a lot, right? Because 5 Bitcoin, that's a lot. And then you would obviously press buy, and then it would put it into your wallet, okay? Where it says wallet, you would click on it and it will show you what's in your wallet. Now, obviously I created this to make this video because I want to review it. So I put a little bit of USD Tether in it, and then I bought some XLM and I made a trade. So let's go back to prices. Okay, so that's the Bitcoin pairs. Then you also have the Ethereum pairs, same thing. You're able to buy Solana, Cardano, and Polygon using your Ethereum. Let's talk about stablecoins. Stablecoins are pegged to the dollar. So you would have USDC, which is USD coin, USDT, or USD Tether. This is Binance.us, okay? And you have a full list of cryptocurrencies that you can trade here in the United States using Binance's platform. So first off, using the platform Binance US, to get started, you'll sign up, you'll put in your email address, phone number, and then you'll upload a photo of your ID. Now this is for KYC, which is know your customer, and this goes along with regulations. So Binance.us and other cryptocurrency exchanges have to follow these different guidelines in order to stay compliant with the laws in this country. All right, so once you upload your ID, it goes through a verification process. Boom, now you're in. You create your account. When you come into here, you'll have a wallet where you can deposit cryptocurrency. You can deposit cash. You obviously can link your bank account, transfer from a cold wallet or a hot wallet, or even another exchange. Okay, and then you have the withdraw feature. Same thing. Withdraw to your bank account or withdraw to your crypto wallet, and then you can buy crypto. So once you deposit that cash into here, you can buy crypto using, it looks like USDT. You can go through the list. USDT is Tether, and once you do that, you just select something, right? This one's for all you fanboys out there. You could get the Trump coin. You have staking, so you would click into this. Grow your crypto with a reward rate up to 17.5%. That beats any bank out there, okay? But the thing is, when you stake, remember this stuff is locked up for a certain period of time, okay? So yes, you're gonna get that high percentage, right? But it's gonna be locked. So now this isn't financial advice. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I were to do this, I would do this at the beginning, try to get it at the beginning of a bull market or the ending of a bear market. It just depends, right? So let's say you have been in a bear market for a long time, meaning that the prices have crashed and everything's been red for a while. It's a lot of bad talk about crypto in the news, all these different different flooding events. That's the time you want to get into the game. So you would set up your staking when the prices are super low. So then once the prices start going up, now you've accumulated so many coins, you're able to unlock that stake and see that return on investment. But like I said, 17% isn't bad. Let's see what happens when you press start. Now then you can select a list of cryptocurrencies to stake from. They have their different percentage rates on here. So Solana's doing like 11%, Ethereum's 3%. Ontology is the one that's 17.5. Okay. Now, and then also when you do stake, you obviously want to know a little bit about the blockchain that you are investing your money into. So do your due diligence and research these different blockchains so this project is doing this. This is their roadmap. I went through and looked at their white paper, so I know what's going on, and I have confidence in that. If I put my money in here and lock it up for 3 months, 4 months, that it's I'm not gonna lose all my money, or I'm not gonna have to sit and wait 5 years to see some type of a result from this, because cryptocurrency usually moves pretty fast, right? So that's the difference between this and the stock market. The stock market is, a little bit slower, and crypto is, you can get into something in crypto and it could go to the moon real quick. All right. So that's the staking they have on here. Now let's go to trading. So you can convert, you can spot trade, you can do over the counter trades. And then down here, these are the different orders and stuff like that you can place. So let's check out the spot trading for a second. All right, so spot trading, off bat, they got Bitcoin up front. This the big dog in the game. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $92,576. Now, if you go to the top right, this is where you can select the different cryptocurrencies that you want to get into trade with. As we scroll down, you can see what percentage are they up or down in a 24-hour period. So this is the daily change. So this one's down 8.9%. Now personally, once again, I like to look for things that are down a lot. Everybody's strategy is different. Okay, for instance, we see something on here that's just down like 30%, and I got $20, and the coin is worth 0.0005 cents or something like that. Okay, that might be a possibility to make a nice little gain if you can get in and it goes back up. But once again, you still need to know the background of this blockchain. What is their roadmap? What's going on? What happened in the news that made it crash, if anything? 'Cause some of these cryptocurrencies, they come out with announcements and stuff, and then you're expecting for the price to go up and it actually goes down, or the total opposite. The news will come out and then boom, it skyrockets. So these are the different cryptocurrencies that you can trade, and this is just with stable coins. You still have like BTC pairs, Ethereum, and then the USD pairs. So that's trading. Let's see over the counter, and it says trades are negotiated directly between the buyer and the seller. So this is basically, if I want to sell my XLM on here, I post the price, and if somebody else who's on the Binance platform sees it, they can just buy it from me. They don't have to buy it from the exchange. I could set my own prices. Okay. So let's see, for instance, I'll sell it for $1,000. It won't let me go that high. $200. Now obviously that's a ridiculous price because it's not up that much. Let's see where XLM is at, and then this is where you search whatever coin you want to look up. So XLM is 34.41, and that's the USDT. USD is 35 cents. So I could set my price at, let's say, 35.8 or 35.85, something like that, and then I can sell it. Basically your option to be able to be like, all right, I don't want to use spot trading on the platform, but I want to sell it to somebody else who's looking to purchase. So I'll go to here and I'll search again. Up in the search, I'll put XLM. I bought $14 worth of XLM the other day at 30 cents. Okay, so I'm currently up, right? And I can actually sell it right now if I want to, but let's look at their chart. Let's go to trading view. This is probably the better one to use if you're really gonna spend time on here really trading. If you just come in here taking a quick look, originals, it's okay. I like trading view though, because it gives you a little bit more data and you're able to see and do a little bit more. So what did I buy at? 30.5. So I bought down here somewhere just before the breakout, and see you had this big green candlestick that came in. This is a lot of volume, so that's about $1.8 million worth of volume that came in. Now the thing is this, the way this looks on a larger scale, if you zoom out, this is essentially what it is right here from my viewpoint. Now it could be this one, because we did have looks like we had a cross, but it could be the beginning of a long run up. So the high here was 79 cents, and we only reached, this time we reached like 64 cents. So we haven't tested the top yet. So I don't think it's a bear market yet. I think we're still in a bull market. I think we're just taking a break. And then, we'll eventually start heading our way back up to test this previous high of 79 cents. Okay. So we zoom back in and we can see that, let's see how far in we can go. And this is on the daily, by the way. So up here, I should have said that before. Up here, you can see if you want to change the chart to a different view, to zoom in or zoom out, different time frames, you can go daily. This is the weekly. You have bigger candlesticks, or you can go hourly, which are smaller. If you're doing like day trading or something like that, you could do hourly. Anywhere in this time frame, minute, it depends on how fast you want to trade. Okay, if you want to do, weekly trades or daily trades, you have the options up here to be able to change your chart to see, when it's a good time to buy or when it's a good time to sell. All right. So we broke out, and I'll go back to the daily. I believe we were in the daily. We broke out and we broke above this resistance, which was a support. Okay, because we hit it here and fell through, but then we hit here, we bounced off of it, and then we broke through it up here. But remember, this dates back 2020. Okay, so with that information, we could zoom in here and we could see like we're right on that line hanging out. My guess is we're going to consolidate for a little bit, and then we're going to either move our way up to test this next resistance level, which we went above momentarily and then we fell back below it. So either we're going to do that, or it's not going to make it up and it's going to be selling pressure and we're going to fall back below, hang out here for a while, possibly come back up again, or just continue on down to make another lower low. You have this lower low, this is a low, this is the previous low, and we fell below that. Okay, so that's how this chart is looking right now, and I wanted to show you guys that because I did get into this one at like 30 cents. All right guys, that's it for Binance.us. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You can come in, you can buy, you can sell, and you can trade cryptocurrencies with little bits of money too. Like I'm trading with like $40, or $30. So you don't have to have like a large amount of money to do this. You can come in and, make your trades and accumulate your coins over time, and build up your portfolio. All right, guys, that's it on Binance US and some of my thoughts on the XLM blockchain. What do you guys think? Overall, I think it's a pretty solid exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade your cryptocurrencies, also offering you the ability to stake and do over-the-counter trades. I love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more crypto content. Peace.